like smoke.
Different colors.
This is red, folks.
I don't know how.
Yeah, we always get some
Anybody see
bombs.
Daddy?
Ooh.
Do you like pink, Papa?
That's red, not pink.
I know, it looks pink. Should have got the pink.
Wow.
Yep,
Incredible.
yep,
Smoke bomb.
Smoke bomb.
yep.
It's nice though.
And it's glowing right towards us. Ain't that awesome?
It's a lovely shade of pink.
It's red.
It's supposed to be red.
You know, it kind of looks mauvey from here.
It's
Shut
hard to
up.
tell.
You want to see here?
No.
It's
Yeah.
at me. I'm right.
I love that smell.
No wonder.
It's
It's
just chocolate
not
smell.
coming at me.
Figures.
I'm
Let's sit down.
over here. No smoke to me.
I sit down and it starts coming right over. Yeah.
Right, it
Don't
just
worry about no
goes
bugs
that way.
right here.
I like that. Is that all that is? Smoke bomb?
he just smoked you out, dude.
Holy hand grenades. Okay.
You just got smoked out.
Uh,
I know, I'm hilarious.
Uncle Bob, what you doing? He's making
you
a
should have done
double one.
two at a time, Buck. You'd have really smoked it. It'd have been like L.A.
Hey, Smokey.
Yeah.
Christmas colors.
Should have.
It'd have been like L.A. out here, man. Oh, wait a minute.
No, it's green. Really?
Yeah, dude, you should have done
No,
both. We got
that's
Christmas
crazy.
colors.
Holy wow.
Well, it was buy one, get one free for the smoke, so
Looks like
I wanted green.
Oh, the neighbor's gonna be thrilled.
Smoking them out.
Yeah.
No, it's coming towards us, Paul. It's coming. Come on.
Back. Come back for revenge.
Dude, man, you should have liked them both. We would have gotten Christmas colors.
I know I should have, but I just did them at once because, you know, to make it last.
You.
Yeah.
Disappointing shake.
That one wasn't as good, Buck.